Now, why do you think we need to recycle plastic? See, the problem with plastic is that it is nearly impossible to decompose PET plastics because most bacteria cannot break it down. Now here, the interesting fact is that UV lights from the sun can break it down, but it takes a very long time. Plastic is widely used because of its low cost, versatility, and durability. This durability is partially based on plastic being an uncommon target for bacteria, which makes it non-biodegradable. Now, animals that eat plastic can strangle or suffer digestive problems. It also contaminates lands and hence affects the ecosystem. When people litter, some non-biodegradable trash may not even make it into landfills. Instead, it may make its way into forests, parks, fields, and the sea. About half of it litter, peppering the roadsides, strewn about by winds and carried into rivers and seas. Now, plastic does not rot like paper or food, so it hangs around in the environment for hundreds of years. Nearly 240 billion plastic bottles became plastic waste and began polluting our already fragile ecosystem. This is a global problem and is causing irreversible damage to our planet.
Our mission is to reduce pollution by recycling plastic and promoting plastic bricks. Plastic bricks are unique bricks that are made using 25% foundry dust, which contains clay, silica, and carbon, and 75% plastic. The various steps involved in making of plastic bricks are as follows. The first step is to collect the plastic from factories, hospital waste, food packages, and plastic bottles. This will come under low-density polyethylene. The second step is batching, that is, measurement of materials. After collection of materials, we separate the type of plastic and remove any other waste presented in the collected material. Then proceed for melting, in which the plastic material is first shredded and then dropped into the other container and allowed to melt using superheated water. After completion, mixing of material is essential for the production of uniform and strength of the brick. The mixing should be very proper, uniform in color and consistency. Generally, there are two types of mixing, hand mixing and mechanical mixing. After completion of proper mixing, we place the mix into the required mold. After 2 days, we remove the brick from the mold and then cure it. We allow it to dry for a period of 24 hours. Now let's go through few advantages of our product. It allows recycling plastic waste. Plastic bricks are much stronger, cheaper, lighter, and last longer than concrete bricks. It also produces 95% lesser pollution than concrete bricks. The beneficiaries of our product are humans, plants, and animals, as the use of plastic bricks reduces pollution. The making of plastic bricks releases less toxic gases than gases released when the plastic is completely burned or incinerated.
By taking kilns and mortar out of the brick making process, plastic tubes can reduce energy use by 70%, generating a much lower carbon footprint than traditional bricks. Each plastic brick contains 1.6 kilogram of waste plastic. The brick lasts even longer than traditional clay brick, as well as remove waste plastic from the environment, which would be otherwise left for centuries. The SDGs being addressed through our project are climate action and industry, innovation, and infrastructure. Stages of implementation over the next few years are as follows: exploration and planning. The process involves a modular platform that is portable and designed to run on gas or electricity. Installation. It involves research, making a business plan, location and license, equipment, and promoting it. In this business, you would need to be in regular touch of the volunteers and school or parks to get the waste plastic supply regularly. Implementation. Plastic waste can substitute one or more of the material, either partially or completely in brick production. Further research based on recent research and a better understanding and utilization of plastic waste in brick is needed to produce a high durability and quality of brick, as well as to achieve the optimum balance in all aspects, especially in the terms of cost and functionality.
The government should implement taxes on clay bricks, concrete bricks, sand lime bricks, fly ash bricks as they pollute the environment. Instead, they should promote the use of plastic or eco bricks. These bricks are far less polluting, last longer, and have several other advantages. The government should subsidize the sectors and companies that work regarding the research of plastic bricks so that its price becomes even lower. There should also be advertisements to spread awareness, and buildings built with plastic bricks should be declared superior so that people feel it to be a matter of prestige to have their property built with plastic bricks. Milestones of making the plastic bricks are collection of materials, batching, melting, mixing, molding, and curing. Fine. We require the assistance of the waste collectors to gather garbage. One plastic brick is 250% stronger than other bricks. Isn't it amazing? A standard home can be constructed for $5,200. In INR, 3,82,760. One plastic brick costs rupees 8 to 10 rupees. We would receive funding from NGOs, giving certain percent share in profit, government, funding in the form of subsidy, and self-sponsorship. We would spend mainly on the management of how the plastic waste would be gathered and gone for the cleaning, shredding, and pressing of the plastic to make the plastic bricks. We would evaluate our plan, that is management, and look inside our product if they are fully ready for the growth of our world. We would also focus on developing our management skills and would devote more in the research sector. After all, waste isn't waste until we waste it.